finishing up some final touches, cleaning the wires, making sure, you know, it's all connected and greased up. Almost done, guys. Welcome back, guys. It is test and tuning weekend. The Can-Am is out. We are out in Barstow. It's pretty quick from home. It's about a 2-hour drive. Not too bad. So we just wanted to be somewhere a little bit closer. Well, then again, nothing's really close. But we just wanted to test and tune to make sure everything's running pretty well. We're going to, I don't know, the last time we were at Johnson Valley, we're going to make sure the shocks are in order and just make sure everything's running fine so that we can prep for desert season, so that we can go on longer rides and trails versus just short distance. So today we're just going to do like a lot of putting around and probably back and forth just to see how everything's running after all the maintenance we've done and all the fixes and whatnot. Again, guys, thanks for tuning in. As always, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Diesel, you're always in my chair. Pretty sure that one's yours. Alright, we're just making some adjustments to the shocks due to the type of terrain that we're in. These are E-Box springs. If you guys don't know what we have in this setup, and these are Fox shocks that were sent out to Shock Therapy for well, this is the gold edition, but it was sent out for some valving, and we're
we did
just
some internal work too. So they put a bigger tubing on the inside, and
so we're just going to make adjustments here to either tighten or lighten the load depending on how the terrain goes.
So basically we're gonna adjust the compressions.
Okay, so we're just making these adjustments right here. So, and that's the back, but it's also in the front too, right?
Yes.
And here's the setup in the front. That's the front, and we also got these, what are these, limit straps?
Yeah, shock therapy
limit straps, and if you can see this block down here, that is a billet
race rack.
Okay, it's a billet race rack. So a lot of modifications to our rig here, guys. Definitely a lot of aftermarket stuff going on here, but we're just gonna tune to make sure the suspension's good. And I guess Kevin's gonna hop in and he's gonna rely on me to make these adjustments. So we'll see how that goes.
So if it's right here,
quarter turns.
So you're gonna go to here. So when I say tighten, that means you just tighten. Then loosen.
So righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if you're gonna do it where we're gonna do it, the rear, you have to do it both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other
So
side.
you're just gonna tell me righty tighty, lefty loosey?
And then we're not gonna do anything with this little one.
So we're okay. So we're not making any small adjustments.
No, we're not doing any
just
low
the high.
compressions.
Okay. So again, the flathead right here would be if you want the lower compression and
the low speed.
Okay, for low speeds. So
for
that would be like if you're rock crawling or what?
Yeah. So
Okay.
with low speed, it's kind of like how quick the arm, or it's like the boating motion.
Okay.
That's the best.
So today we're only doing the high compressions because we're going faster out here. There's not, if you guys can see the terrain, we're not doing any rock crawling. So we'll make those adjustments when we're in different terrain. So Kevin's gonna hop in and
17.
so this is 17 and I'll be making the adjustments upon what he tells me to. All right, so let's get him in. Weather's not looking too good, but it's a good day. It's not hot. All right, let's see what he needs.
Tighten the rear. The rear, tighten the quarter.
Which driver side?
Remember, when you do one side, you have to do both sides.
Oh, so both sides?
Yes.
Okay.
Quarter turn.
To the right?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I did left. I loosened it, but he's gonna try it. So we'll come back and then I'll get it right this time. Okay, let's see what he needs. So the back was fine?
Yeah.
So I made an accident and it was fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tighten it.
Tighten it. So right, counterclockwise.
Yeah.
There?
Quarter, is that quarter?
Yeah.
Alright, then do the other.
I hope so. Right. So my accident worked, but see, that's one good thing about the wind. It picks up and goes elsewhere. So if you're riding behind that, you don't have to eat dust. All right.
This one?
Loosen. So go back.
Yeah, go half, okay?
Not a quarter, a whole half.
Yeah.
turn.
Right there. More. Keep going. Right there.
In the back?
No.
Okay. All good? All good?
Yeah. You move the seat up forward.
Yeah.
Kick forward.
All right, guys, my turn. That dirt bike out of the way?
How fast you get up to?
57.
Oh, that's not bad. Does it feel better with the steering?
Well, when I got faster, it got a little bit squirrely.
Too squirrely?
Yeah, it got squirrely. But I mean, it's pretty good. Not bad. Testing and tuning went really well, guys. We are going to have a nice desert season. Fingers crossed, no other issues. Thanks for tuning in every weekend with us. Appreciate it so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.